In today's video, I followed along on a duct cleaning and then a duct sealing job. I asked them why it was important to clean your ductwork before sealing it.
When there's a bunch of dust and debris inside the ductwork, it makes the surface inside the ductwork a lot harder to stick to. It's basically the same concept. If you were to wipe your hand on something dusty, it would be really slick and slippery, and then you get all of it on your hand, and then your hand's really slippery. Same concept with the sealant. So if you clean all of that away first, it's a rougher texture for your hand to get across, and it's not as smooth and slippery. And so in the same sense, the sealant has a better surface to be able to stick to. And so it's able to stick a lot better than if you don't clean it. You could still seal it without the clean and then clean it later, but it's a lot easier and it doesn't take as long to seal if you clean it first.
Is this what's left over from the clean?
This is the vacuum. This is what we used for the clean. It's kind of hard to see it, but this tealish blue color on the filter, that's its original color. That's what color it was first thing this morning when we put it in. So we got a lot of drywall dust out of his ductwork. So this would be a huge problem if we just did a seal only, no cleaning.
Yeah.
So thanks to all this drywall dust being in here, it's gonna go really well. What you saw in that filter in there, all that drywall dust, if that was still up inside the ductwork trying to clean all that out, it wouldn't be able to stick very well. Drywall dust just doesn't work with anything. Before we did everything, there's that 283.4, rounds it up to 18% of the system. But you would just take the 283.4, divide it by 1600, would give you the general number right here. I got them from that 283.4 to 21.6, looking right about 1.4 of the system, 92% reduction in duct leakage. Nice smooth drop on the graph too, just like what I like to see.